What's up, YouTube family? Today's video, we're gonna do a cooking video. Last week, I uploaded a pellet smoker fix video. Got some company coming over tonight, and we were gonna throw some on the grill. But I knew I made that video last week, and I didn't give y'all a proper cooking video with it. So that's what we're gonna do today. I wish I could have got more footage of the problems I was having with my smoker. Had it for about 5 years. Went to smoke something and it caught on fire. And after that, I kept getting an error code. So after about 5 years, it was unusable. I ended up getting it fixed. If you wanna check out that video, I have it in the description. But yeah, we're gonna smoke some chicken thighs on the pellet smoker that we fixed. Stay tuned. So I already washed my my chicken thighs. Had it soaked in some cold water with some apple cider vinegar and a little kosher salt. Had that soaking for a little bit. I already dried them. Now I'm finna go ahead and trim them up a little bit. After that, I'll be back. It doesn't have to be too perfect. Just gonna dry it off a little bit more. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of olive oil. Rub it in. Just to help the seasoning stick with the rub. We're gonna do both sides like that. Killer House hot barbecue rub. Now this ain't, Killer House is not my preferred rub. This is the rub I like right here. But I couldn't find that at the store today, so I had to get this. We're gonna flip them over and do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna let that sit while we get the smoker ready. All right, so I got the water in the water pan. Got the pellets put in there. Gonna turn it on. Close up this top. I'm gonna set it for 280. We're gonna let that get warmed up, get up to temp, and then we'll be back. We do got the homie David here. He finna throw some, the chimney right there on the ground.
Chimney, that's what she said, the chimney.
Yeah. So you're supposed to put all the coals in there,
Right.
and then put the fire starter underneath there, and then lift that up.
Forget about the chimney.
So David gonna do his thing on the grill. He gonna make some circle bees. We're gonna put the chicken thighs on the pellet smoker. Got the smoke going. So while we're waiting for the smoker to get up to temp, this is what happened to I'm gonna kind of explain to you what happened and what I had to do to get the smoker back working. So the smoker caught on fire and it just fucked up the fan. So it caused the fan connection on the circuit board to be fried. So I had to replace the fan and replace the this control board. And I'll put these in the description. I'll put the replacement parts in the description. But you can watch that last video of me fixing it. You can find the links to the replacement parts in that video as well. So the temperature is about 275 right now. So we're gonna go and get the chicken and we're gonna put it in the smoker. We also put a temperature probe inside on the chicken thighs as well. We're about 280 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and close it back up. We're gonna let that go for about an hour and a half to about 2 hours. I have no idea what's going on over here. David's on the grill. I have no idea what's going on over here. This is the other part to the temperature probe that I stuck in one of the chicken thighs. So basically it's like a remote. So right now it's at 79 degrees. The target is 185. And I put a link in the description where you can purchase this. All right, so David got done grilling his circle bees, his smoked sausage. I don't eat pork no more, so I didn't try any, but we're gonna go check out what he made.
That grill still hot.
Chicken thigh still going, we at 280.
280. Boys in there smoke. Smoke.
All right.
What you say about them smoked sausages? Say if they ain't burnt, they ain't done. And then look, CJ got me on the sauce. The hot Charles Virgos. I just had some. Memphis original. Boy, they so hot. I thought it was a sausage, but it's the sauce. And let's show them what we got over here in the crock pot. My girl brought some beans.
Looking good.
What kind of meat you put in these beans? Turkey neck and beans.
Ain't no pork in there, is it?
Nope,
What
it's
kind of
turkey
beans
neck.
are those?
It's turkey neck.
I told all of them it's kind of soft.
What kind of beans?
It's turkey neck.
What kind of beans?
The not some brown.
Y'all check out that pineapple. That pineapple ready, ain't it?
Which one? That one?
You sure need to break it open before it gets spoiled.
Turn the yellow. That red right there.
All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna bump up the tilt. It's about 350. And then we're gonna put some, I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on some of them. And we're gonna let it cook for about 15 more minutes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take the chicken thighs off. We're gonna shut it down. All right, so they look. If you like content like this, like, comment, subscribe, let me know. I'll keep providing this type of content for y'all. Appreciate it.